Yes, beta. Good morning, all of you. Let's revise the revision assignment. First question is, what do we call the animals which live on trees? Very good. You have to write in the chat box. It is the arboreal plants. Second is, give an example to show that plants respond to stimuli. Means, yes, very good. Like touch me not plant, when we touch the leaves of this plant, leaves get closed, वो collapse हो जाती हैं, and after some time they open up. And sunflower, it faces the sun. Okay. And third is, what do you mean by the term camouflage? Camouflage means, very good, it is coloration pattern. In simple words, we can say it is the ability to merge with surrounding. जो एनिमल हैं वो अपनी सराउंडिंग में मर्ज कर दे जाते हैं, उनकी जो अपना कलर उनका ऐसा होता है कि वी कैन नॉट स्पॉट देम. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज कैमेलियन. कैमेलियन क्या करता है? इट चेंजेस इट्स कलर. इन द ग्रीन लीव्स इट इज ग्रीन इन कलर, and on the bark of the tree it is brown in color. So ability to change the color to blend with surrounding is called camouflaging. Okay. And next is, most of the sea animals, they have streamlined bodies. उनकी bodies जो हैं साइड से थिन होती हैं, सेंटर में थिक होती हैं. So this type of body is called streamlined body. We can say boat shaped body. But some of the animals, they do not have this streamlined body. Can you name? Okay, this is fifth one. Fourth one is left. Okay, name two animals of grassland. Grassland के animals, very good. S deer, S zebra, H tiger, good. And streamlined body मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि जो सेंटर से थिक और साइड से थिन होती है. This type of body, fish has this type of body. We call it boat-shaped body also. And but some of the animals, they do not have boat-shaped body, or they live in the sea and water. This type of body helps the animals to cut the water currents, helps in easy movement of the fish. Very good. Octopus, very good. Squids, they do not have streamlined body. They remain near the seabed. When some animal come, they catch and eat. Okay, they catch their prey. They remain near the seabed, but if they have to move, then they make their body streamlined. Like octopus है, तो अपनी वो जो उसकी arms हैं, वो उसको पीछे को bend कर लेगा, and it will make its body streamlined while moving in the water. Starfish also, very good. Now next, camel is well adapted to live in desert. You know many adaptations of camel. You have to write any two. Very good. It's long legs. And long legs का फायदा क्या है? The body of the camel remain away from the hot sand. It protects the body parts from the heat of the sand. Yes, very good. Padded feet, broad feet. They help to walk, to run on the sand. And hump to store fat. Okay, it can live without water. It saves water. Its dung is almost dry. Very good. Thick skin to protect it from the sun. Very good. Does not sweat. इसकी skin में pores नहीं होती. Saves water. Very good. And its urine is thick. Okay. And all this helps to survive it in the desert. Next, what is acclimatization? Acclimatization means this is the temporary adaptation. Okay. Over short period of time, due to the temporary changes in the environment, there are some changes in the body of a single organism. These changes occur over short period of time. These are temporary changes and they are not passed from one generation to another. For example, when a person living in the plains goes to a hill station, in the starting he may suffer from breathlessness, but after some time he will feel comfortable. Okay, body will adjust for some time, temporary adjustment hoti hai, that is called acclimatization. And common characteristics of living things, write it, very good. But all of you should write, all of you should participate. Very good. Shipra is temporary changes. Stem have thick waxy layer to prevent water loss. Good. Okay, you are writing 8. I am talking about 9, sorry. Question number 8 is 3 adaptations of cactus. Cactus की 3 adaptations. Number 1, leaves are reduced to spines. इसकी जो लीव्स हैं वो स्पाइंस की फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाती हैं. तो लीव्स का काम कौन करेगा? स्टेम. स्टेम इज ग्रीन इन कलर टू डू फोटोसिंथेसिस. बाकी प्लांट्स में लीव्स खाना बनाती हैं, बट कैक्टस में लीव्स नहीं होती. तो दिस वर्क इज डन बाय द स्टेम. सो स्टेम इज ग्रीन इन कलर, इट हैज क्लोरोफिल टू डू फोटोसिंथेसिस. And stem is fleshy also to store water. And its roots are well developed. They go deep into the soil to search water. Good. Next, give characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. You are living. Okay. Living things breathe, very good. They grow, they develop, they excrete. Excrete means they remove the various poisonous products from the body. Yes, very good. They respond to stimuli, means they show the reactions to the changes in the environment. They react, very good. And they need food also, good. They move from one place to another. Animals, they change the place, they move from one place to another. But plants do not move from one place to another, but they show the movements, like water is absorbed by the roots, but it is transported to the other parts of the plant. वो leaves तक जाता है. And food prepared in leaves, it is transported to fruits, other parts of the body where it is stored and it is used. And touch me not plant, like it closes its leaves. Okay, flowers bloom. So these type of movements are also shown by the plants. Now see the आंसर की शॉर्ट आंसर्स जो है मैंने वो लिखे हैं आपके, और जो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं दे आर इन द नोटबुक ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन सी. Now next is, beta, in the last 5 minutes I'll give you the time to unmute yourself, then you can ask your queries. Now we are going to revise chapter number 12, light, shadow and reflections. This is how do we see. What makes us to see the objects? Light. Okay, what is light? It is a form of energy which makes the things visible to us. If there is no light, we cannot see. हम देख नहीं सकेंगे. And light travels in straight lines. This is called rectilinear propagation of light. Means light travels in straight lines. When light falls on an object, then it is reflected. ये reflect होती है. When these reflected rays, they enter our eyes, so we are able to see. जो reflected rays हैं वो हमारी eyes पे पड़ती हैं, तो we can see that organ object. Otherwise, we will not be able to see. So light makes the things visible to us, and light has very high speed. Its speed is 3 lakh kilometer per second in air. In water, it is less, 2,25,000 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. ग्लास में लाइट की थोड़ी सी और कम हो जाती है, 1,80,000 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. तन्वी बेटा आपने पर सेकेंड नहीं लिखा, 3 लाख किलोमीटर लिखा है, 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके बेटा. एंड नेक्स्ट, luminous objects. What do you mean by luminous objects? Write it. Yes, I'm waiting your answer. Luminous means the objects which emit light. They produce light. They have their own light. Clear? These are called luminous. Can you give some examples? I'll tell you, these are of two types, natural and man-made. Natural may are, name a few natural sources of light. Yes, it is sun. Very good. And next is bulb. But bulb is not natural. It is man-made. Candle, it is also man-made. And this is glowworm. Glowworm is natural. Clear? Stars are also natural luminous bodies. And what do you mean by non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects are the objects which do not emit light. इनकी अपनी light नहीं होती. For example, give examples of non-luminous objects. They are table, chair, pan, moon also. Although moon shines, but it shines due to the sunlight. When sunlight falls on the moon, it is reflected to our eyes and we look the shining moon. Wood, plastic, book, very good. All of you are not writing answers, only a few names are seen. Very good, those who are participating. Now, behavior of objects towards light. When light falls on the objects, so what happens? First one is, look, the torch light is there. It is falling on a transparent object. When light falls on the transparent object, it allows the light to pass. Up light rays dekh rahe ho. You can see the light rays on the other side of the object also. We call it beam of light. Okay. And second torch में देखो, torch light पड़ रही है on the translucent object. They are the objects which allow only a part of light to pass through. कुछ part light का pass हो जाता है and some part of the light is blocked. वो नहीं pass होता. आपको ज़्यादा rays दिख रही हैं, उसके दूसरी साइड उतनी रेज नहीं दिख रही जो आपको टॉर्च लाइट में से जितनी निकलती दिख रही हैं. इट मीन्स कि सम पार्ट ऑफ द लाइट इज ब्लॉक्ड एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ द लाइट इज अलाउड टू पास. एंड नीचे देखो, ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट, इट ब्लॉक्स द लाइट, इट डज नॉट अलाउ एनी लाइट टू पास. इसमें बिल्कुल भी लाइट पास नहीं होती. ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट यू कैन सी नो रेज of light. कोई भी आपको light rays नहीं दिख रही. So all the light rays are blocked. Now can you give examples of transparent objects? Then translucent, then opaque. Transparent, glass, very good. Air, pure water. Okay. And cellophane sheet. Second, translucent. Give examples of translucent. Yes, butter paper, oily paper, tissue paper, scratched glass, colored plastic, etc. And opaque is book, is wood, is plastic, thick paper, cardboard. Yes, tracing paper is translucent. Good. Now you can see One more quality of the opaque object. In the first, जो first boy है उसके hand में क्या है? Opaque sheet, and we are not able to see the face of that boy, so it is opaque. It does not allow light to pass, and we are not able to see through the opaque objects. हमें इसमें से नहीं दिखता. और सेकेंड बॉय देखो, इसके हाथ में क्या है? ट्रांसल्यूसेंट शीट. It has translucent sheet. We are able to see at the face of this boy, but it is dim. Okay, it's not clear. So translucent, we can see through the translucent objects, but not clearly. हमें क्लियर नहीं दिखता, बट दिख जाता है. एंड सी, जो नीचे साइड आप देखोगे, द बॉय इज हैविंग ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट एंड वी आर एबल टू लुक clearly. Okay, we are able to see the face of this boy clearly because they allow the light to pass and we can see through these objects clearly. Now next is how shadow is formed. What is shadow? What are the conditions of shadow and what are the different properties of shadow? What is shadow first? How is it formed? It is formed when light rays are blocked by an opaque or translucent object. Okay, there is source of light. Light is coming from the bulb and it is blocked by a ball. Ball is in the center of the screen and the source of light. So जब बॉल आगे आ गई है, बॉल ओपेक है, ये लाइट को ब्लॉक कर देगी, तो उस बॉल के दूसरी साइड लाइट नहीं पहुंच पाएगी, तो देयर विल बी डार्क पैच. दिस डार्क पैच formed when light is blocked by an object is called shadow. Clear? So shadow is formed when light rays are blocked by an opaque object. On the other side of the opaque object, light does not reach. We find a dark patch. That dark patch is called shadow. So conditions, very good. Conditions are source of light, opaque or translucent object and screen. अब इस केस में स्क्रीन कौन सी है? वॉल. ओके, वॉल पे शैडो बन रही है तो वॉल इज द स्क्रीन. अगर फ्लोर पे शैडो बन रही है तो फ्लोर इज द स्क्रीन. इफ देयर इज नो स्क्रीन तो शैडो विल नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड. इफ लाइट सोर्स नहीं है तो भी शैडो नहीं बनेगी, और अगर ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो भी शैडो नहीं बनेगी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ शैडो. It is always formed on the opposite side of the light source. जिस साइड पे लाइट सोर्स होता है उसके ऑपोजिट शैडो बनती है. अगर लाइट सोर्स राइट साइड है तो शैडो विल बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. अगर लेफ्ट साइड पे सोर्स ऑफ लाइट है तो इट विल बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन द राइट साइड. And it does not provide any detailed information about the object. अब इस बॉय की शैडो बन रही है तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि इसके फीचर्स कैसे हैं, इसकी आईज बड़ी हैं, छोटी हैं, नोज कैसी है. Does not provide any detailed information about the object. उसकी डिटेल नहीं हमें पता चलती. And it is always black in color, dark in color. Although उसका पिंक जैकेट डाली हुई है, but उसकी शैडो में ब्लैक दिख रही है, because shadow is always black in color. Okay, then next, size of the shadow. It depends on the distance between the source of light and object. If there is more distance, तो shadow will be small. अगर पास आ रहा है source of light तो shadow will be small, large. Okay, distance between object और screen पे depend करती है. And if the source is closer, larger shadow will be formed. अगर source दूर जा रहा है तो small shadow will be formed. and its shape may or may not resemble the object. Sometimes it resembles the shape, but sometimes it does not resemble the shape. Like this is the shape of the hands, but in the shadow it looks like okay, this is the shadow of an animal. So it's not there, it's always same like that of the object. It may or it may not change. Next is pinhole camera. What are the different characteristics of image formed by pinhole camera? Okay, आपको मैम ने बोला था to make pinhole camera. Hope you have made it and you know about the characteristics. On what principle it is based? Write it. On what principle the pinhole camera work? It works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. Means light travels in a straight line. This is the principle of, yes, it works on the rectilinear propagation of light. So light travels in a straight line. The color image देखो इसमें image is inverted. उल्टा image बना है and it is smaller in size than the object. ये object से smaller size का होता है and it is colored image. जैसे shadow में आपने देखा था black, यहाँ पे क्या है, colorful image is formed. Inverted, smaller in size, colorful, and its size increases when we increase the distance between the screen and pinhole. आप दो स्लाइडिंग बॉक्स लेकर बनाती हो ना पिन होल, तो जब उसको स्लाइड करके आप पिन होल और स्क्रीन के बीच में डिस्टेंस बढ़ा देती हो तो इमेज का साइज भी बड़ा हो जाता है और ब्लर हो जाता है. जब आप उसको क्लोज लाती हो स्क्रीन को पिन होल की तो उसका साइज डिक्रीज हो जाता है, छोटा हो जाता है, बट ब्राइट हो जाता है. So it increases when you increase the distance between size of the image increases when you increase the distance between screen and the pinhole. Okay. Hope you have written all this in the notebook and you know this. If any queries there, so you can ask me. Now reflection. What is reflection? It is the phenomenon by which light falls on the smooth or polished surface and it bounces back. वो बाउंस करती है, जैसे आप वॉल के ऊपर बॉल फेंकते हो तो बॉल बाउंस होके वापस आती है. सेम वे जब लाइट पॉलिश्ड सरफेस पे, मिरर पे, स्मूथ सरफेस पे फॉल होती है तो इट कम्स बैक. Bending of या bouncing of light into same medium after striking a polished surface is called reflection. Very good answer, Tanvi. Yes, Samrit. Very good. Okay. So the light ray which falls on the smooth surface is called incident ray. After striking, when it goes back, तो इसका name change हो जाता है. Then we call it reflected ray. Okay. Next, some properties. This is how to store the magnets. The next chapter coming in the test is magnet. हम 2-3 मिनट में इसको भी फटाफट से देखेंगे. तो when you have to store the magnet, तो unlike poles should be on the same side or in between two magnets you should keep the wooden piece. Clear? उसके सेंटर में wood का piece रखना है और उनको opposite जो poles हैं they should be on the same side or on both the ends there should be soft pieces of iron. Clear? And you have to take them carefully. They should not be hammered, otherwise they will lose their magnetic properties. And they should not be heated, they should not be boiled, and they should not be thrown from the height. उनको height से we should not they should not fall from the height. गिरकर भी वो उनकी जो मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वो टूट जाती हैं, खराब हो जाती हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती हैं. different characteristics. इनके characteristics क्या हैं? It attracts the magnetic objects towards it. Magnetic objects like iron, nickel, cobalt. They are attracted by magnet. Second, like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Third, a freely suspended magnet always aligns north-south direction. Freely suspended, जब आप free लटका देते हो magnet को, when it comes to rest, it always points north-south direction. And fourth, we cannot isolate. Fourth, we can say that there are two poles of magnet, north and south. And next, we cannot separate the north pole from the south pole. We cannot isolate the two poles. अगर दो पीस हो जाती हैं मैग्नेट के तो उन दोनों का अपना एक नॉर्थ पोल होगा, एक साउथ पोल होगा. आप दोनों को अलग नहीं कर सकते हो. एंड अगर आप 10 पीस भी कर दोगे तो every piece of magnet have its own north and south pole. Okay, then next is the magnetic needle. It is made up of a small box having glass on its upper part, and in between there is a free rotating magnetic needle. When it comes to rest, it shows north-south direction.